Namaste everyone, here I am going to find volume of a sphere. First of all, try to understand about a sphere. The solid generated by revolving a circular lamina about any of its diameters is called a sphere. Here, this is a circular lamina and AB is its diameter. When we revolve this circular lamina about AB like this, then we get a three-dimensional shape that is called a sphere. It has one curved surface by which it is formed. It has no vertex and it has no edge. Now, its all points lying on its curved surface are equidistant from its center. Oh, and this distance is called radius. And the center of a sphere is same as that of circle. Now, this is cylinder and its radius is r, height is h. This is cone, its height is same as that of this cylinder, radius is also same as that of cylinder. Same, this is also cone, similar cone is here, there is also a sphere having same radius r, height is same, its height is also same h. Diameter is known as its height, and as we know, diameter is equal to 2r. Now, its volume, as we know, when we fill this cone with water and pour water in this cylinder, then first time it will be filled only 1/3. Again, when we fill this cone with water and pour this water in this cylinder, then in third time it will be filled like this. This is second time. In second time it will be like this. When we fill this cone and fill this water in this cylinder, then in third time it will be completely filled. In this way, volume of this cylinder is 3 times volume of this cone. As we know, its volume is, its base area is pi r square, and base area into height, that is its volume. In this way, volume of this cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of this cylinder is 3 times volume of this cone having same radius and same height, or volume of this cone is 1/3 of volume of this cylinder, like this volume of this cone will be 1/3 pi r square h, and we have to fill this cone with water and pour this water in this sphere like this. Its volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Again, we have to fill this cone with water and pour this water in this sphere. Its volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Now, when we add, then we get volume of this sphere. In this way, in 2 times it will be completely filled. Now, 1/3 pi r square h, its volume, plus 1/3 pi r square h. Its volume is equal to volume of a sphere. Imply that volume of a sphere is equal to 1/3 pi r square. This is taken common, r square up to r square. Rest parts are h plus h. As we know, 1/3 pi r square h. This is 2r. This h is also 2r. We have 1/3 pi r square into 4r. It will be 4 into 1, that is 4, by 3 pi r square into r, that is r cubic units. In this way, volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. When we divide this sphere into two equal parts, then each part is called hemisphere. Half of a sphere is called hemisphere. Now volume of hemisphere, it will be half into volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. 2 2 is 4. In this way, 2 by 3 pi r cubic units is the volume of this hemisphere. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.